Hey guys, welcome to our channel Shaurya's World. My name is Shaurya, and so today I am going to make laddu out of leftover roti and from little bit of gur and ghee. Gur means jaggery. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's break the rotis and put it in the nut cutter. Now you can see I crushed it. What is remaining? So now I will crush it in my nut cutter. You can also do in the mixer. I am doing in my nut cutter. So now I will do the last one. Too easy. Now it's going to finish. Now done. As you can see, yes, now our roti is all chopped. Finally. Now let's add the jaggery. Now let's put the ghee. Ghee is very important for binding. Now mix it well. Now mix it well. A little bit more ghee. Mix till get binding, like binding cake. It's ready. Just one step is remaining. That is, you can make the ball or eat it with the spoon. Let me eat it. Yummy. Now let me make the laddu. See, the laddu is ready. Now let's make 2-3 laddu. When you get some extra roti, do not throw it. You can make the laddus.
Yummy!
Bye. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Till that you until